Hey guys, this is Mr. Croissant. Welcome to the channel. Today's video is about making easy, delicious French toast that will blow your mind and put a morning smile on all your loved ones when you make these for breakfast for them. Check it out.
We all love French toasts, a morning classic inspired by an old French recipe originally meant to salvage stale bread. Americans took this recipe and turned it into something amazing. Today, we're going to make French toast the classic way for a fantastic breakfast anybody will love. First, let's start with the bread. I like to use brioche bread. Originally, people would use the stale bread they had left over and turn it into something delicious. Slice the bread into thick slices with a bread knife. We want big chunky slices, otherwise the bread will completely fall apart and we do definitely not want that. Next, we're going to make our batter. All we need is 2 eggs, 150 milliliters or 2/3 of a cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Break the eggs into a large bowl and whisk them with a fork to combine them. We're gonna add the milk, cinnamon, sugar and salt and continue mixing with the fork until everything is combined together and we have a uniform colored batter. I'm going to transfer the batter to a cake tin or anything with a flat base so it's easier to dunk our slices of bread. Grab your slices and start dunking them into the batter. We need to make sure the whole surface of the slice is covered before flipping to the other side. Make sure to do 1 slice at a time as it only takes a couple of seconds, otherwise your bread might completely disintegrate and break. What you want to get is the slices to have soaked up all the nice batter but kept some structure. Now that our slices of bread are ready, it's time to fry them up, so let's get straight into it. For this, I'm gonna throw a dice of butter into a flat pan at medium heat and let it slowly melt. I'm using my pancake pan for this. When the butter is bubbling, gently throw your slices of bread on the pan. We want to form a nice toasty crust on the bread, which will contrast well with the soft inside. After 1 or 2 minutes, flip the slices to cook the other side. We want to have some nice browning just like that. Make sure your pan is hot enough to toast the bread, but not too hot that it burns it. After a couple of minutes, it's time to take them out of the pan. Stack them up on a plate. I find that 3 slices is enough for a morning breakfast. While the slices are still hot, throw some butter on top and let it melt to give that incredible buttery flavor. Now we are going to prepare our toppings. It is a good idea to prepare them before so they are ready to add as soon as the bread comes out of the pan. Slice up some strawberries, throw in some raspberries and blackberries or any types of berries you like. Add them on top of your hot slices of bread. Put as many as you like, but make sure to add enough so you have berries up until the very last bite. To add an extra touch, my son thought it was a good idea to smash our last Easter egg and sprinkle it on top. You can use any type of chocolate you want, or some caramel slivers for some extra sweetness. I like to top up my French toast with some delicious cream and maple syrup. My son doesn't really like cream yet, so I only add maple syrup to his ones. And these, my friends, are some amazing French toasts, easy to make, that will put a smile on anyone's face. And now your French toasts are ready, so let's eat them.
Alright guys, that's it. I finished the French toast for my son Sasha. And now he's gonna start eating and enjoying it and telling us what he thinks about it. Yeah? You excited?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite breakfast?
Probably one of.
One of? Okay.
Pancakes is very good as well.
Yeah. Alright, go on. Let me know what you think.
Oh my god, this is a mess.
Just on its own?
So good.
Yeah, try with some berries. And what did we add on top?
Chocolate. Easter egg.
Oh. Wow, that's a big bite. Come on, tell the guys how it is.
Probably with the berries is better than just on its own. But on its own it's very good still.
What's your favorite topping there?
Chocolate. Easter egg.
So out of 10, how much do you give to this breakfast?
9.5.
9.5. That's pretty good, yeah? Okay. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. This was my take on the French toast, classic recipe with some added twists. Make sure to like, subscribe.
Put a comment down below and see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.